IBM just solved the problem keeping AI companies awake at night. And they did it by thinking vertically instead of horizontally. I'm Elsie Sky, Roussaux Pulse. Let's break this down. For 60 years, chip makers followed one strategy: make transistors smaller, pack more on a chip, repeat. It's Moore's Law. But Moore's Law is dying. You can't shrink silicon transistors much further. You hit atomic limits. IBM just found a way around it. On June 25th, IBM unveiled the world's first sub-1 nanometer chip, nearly 100 billion transistors on a fingernail-sized piece of silicon, not by shrinking transistors, but by stacking them vertically in 3D layers. They call it nanostack. Here's why it matters. AI data centers are consuming electricity at unprecedented scale. Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, all constrained by power, not compute. IBM's breakthrough delivers 50% more performance or 70% less energy consumption. The catch? Still a research prototype. Commercial production is 5 years away. But IBM just bought the industry another decade of Moore's Law. I'm Elsie Sky, and this is your pulse on what's viral. Hit subscribe and never miss a move.